guys! Welcome to my channel. I am Aliyah Nicole Castro and I recently passed the CHRA examination last December 17, 2023. Today, I'll be sharing with you some information about the exam and the frequently asked questions.
The Human Resource Educators Association of the Philippines Incorporated facilitates the assessment examination of a human resource practitioner. For the exam coverage, there are two sets, and for set 1, this is under the Industrial and Organizational Psychology, which is recruitment and selection, workplace learning and development, compensation and benefits, performance management, job analysis and design, and risk management. For set 2, which is labor and HR-related laws, these are the Labor Code of the Philippines and the Workers' Statutory Monetary Benefits. There are 5 categories for the qualifications, and if you fit in any of that, you are qualified to take the CHRA examination. Let us move on to the CHRA frequently asked questions. For the first question, is the Certified Human Resource Associate Assessment Examination under the Professional Regulation Commission or Civil Service Commission? The answer is no, it is not a professional license or a civil service eligibility. It is a assessment examination or a certification of your skills in the field of human resource management. What are the advantages of taking CHRA? So, ang advantage nito ay mas mataas ang chance na ma-employ ka kapag ikaw ay certified at yung isang applicant ay hindi. It will also give you confidence dahil nakapasa ka ng examination and na-validate nito yung knowledge mo sa field ng human resource. Next question is, what is the passing mark? The passing mark is 50% for each set. If you fail to get 50% or higher in one set, you will be allowed to retake that particular set in the next scheduled examination. Next is there a limit on how many times we can take the CHRA? And as of January 2023, wala na pong limit kung ilang beses kayo pwedeng mag-take nito. How do we know that we passed the examination? You will receive an email containing your marks if you pass or not, and you will also be posted at the HREAP website and social media platforms. And additional information lang na it will take around 5 days to get the result, pero based on my experience, I took the exam on December 17 and December 20, yung results ay lumabas na. What is the validity period? The validity is lifetime, no need for renewal. Isa ito sa kagandahan ng certification ng HREAP dahil hindi mo na kailangan mag-ipon pa ng points para makapag-renew ka ng certification mo. For the process and requirement, kailangan nyo lang sagutan yung Google form para makapili kayo ng schedule and makapagbayad kayo. After online registration and payment, makaka-receive kayo ng confirmation email ng slot na pinili nyo at ang specific coverage ng exam. So, meron kayong matatanggap na G-Drive link kung saan nandun yung references and reviewers na ipoprovide nila. Take note lang na hindi nyo pwedeng i-share sa iba yung link na yon kahit na magte-take din sila. Dahil makaka-receive naman din sila ng email na yon basta't nagbayad na sila. So, ganito yung setup ng online examination. Kailangan nyo ng 2 device. Yung una ay ang laptop or PC. Yun lang ang pwedeng gamitin para makapag-take ng exam. Hindi pwedeng cellphone, hindi pwedeng tablet. And yung second device nyo naman, yun ang gagamitin nyo para mag-join sa Zoom kung nasan yung proctor na magmo-monitor sa inyo. At nakatapat yun sa inyo at sa screen ng laptop nyo para makita nila kung nakafocus lang ba talaga kayo sa exam at hindi kayo nag-cheat. Additional reminders lang din na bawal lang physical calculators, ang pwede lang ay yung built-in sa laptop or PC. Bawal ang scratch papers, bawal ang naka-AirPods, earphones at headset, bawal ang mag-unmute. So, kung may concerns kayo sa chat lang para hindi ma-distract yung ibang takers.
And that's it. Good luck, future CHRAs. I hope nakatulong ang video na to para masagot ang iba niyong katanungan. And if you have further questions, just comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.